What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to start a Dodge Charger if the key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery in the key fob or some other issue, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Charger started. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2019 Dodge Charger in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm gonna get a message here saying key fob not detected. So what we're gonna do is take the top of the key fob and use that to press the stop start button. So press the brake in as you normally would. Then we're gonna take the top of the key fob and press the stop start button like that. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.